Hello everybody. We are continuing the notes today with piecewise functions. Last time we did these notes already, but just as a quick reminder for it all, we are mostly doing lines, which is in slope-intercept form, where you start at the intercept at -2, and then you go up 2 and over 3. We talked about what a piecewise function is. We talked about this notation right here, where you always look on the right side first. So like if I gave you the number 5, 5 is greater than or equal to 5, so you'd plug it into this bottom one right there. Whereas if you had something like -2, you plug in -2, well, -2 is less than 5, so you'd plug it in there to get your answer. Today we're doing the other side. It looks like this, and for the first part, you always look here once again, and you write down any numbers that you have. I tend to do just kind of dotted lines of those. So like here we have 0, and here we have 2 as well. And those are all the numbers. So those are the sections. Now we've done these on the notes already, so I'm just going to kind of quickly remind you what was going on. Basically, x is less than 0. This is where it is less than 0. So over here, we're going to write 2x plus 3's line. Between them, we'll write 2. And on this side, -x plus 1. Just to get out of the way, 2 is just a horizontal line, so between 0 and 2, we're just going to have a horizontal line at 2. Since this is an equal to, the left side is closed, and that is not an equal to, so the right side is going to be an open circle. Over on this next one, 2x plus 3, the plus 3 is up here. And normally you would go for the slope of 2 up 2 and over 1, except that is not in the boundary we want. We want the 2x plus 3 over there. So instead of starting at 3 and going up 2 and over 1, we're going to start at 3 and go down 2 and backwards 1, down 2 and backwards 1, etc. And you get this thing right here. This is open, because it's not equal to, so I'd put a circle there. And finally, -x plus 1, where plus 1 means you would start here, but once again, that is not in the section we want. We want it over here. You still have to start at 1, and then the slope of -1 is a -1 over 1. So you would go from here, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, until you're finally actually on the section you want. Down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. You get this line right here. And this is an equal to 2, so we get to do a solid thing. Domain in this one turns out to be -infinity to infinity. Range is -infinity up until right there, which is 3, not including the 3, so parentheses. Both arrows are pointing down, so these will both be -infinity. All right. This one I had you guys try in class. If you haven't tried it already, try it. The answer key is online, so you are free to check it there. I'm just going to skip it now to save time and go on to this. And I'm actually going to do the second problem first, but we'll check that out in the second video.